Hello everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. How the heck are ya? Oh my word, it's been probably 2 months since I've sat down and I've actually crafted, and I really miss it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link a video down below to kind of tell you where I've been, etc. It's on my At Home with Misty channel, so if you're interested in hearing a life update, it'll be there. So this week I'm gonna unbox the July Paper Pumpkin. If you're unfamiliar, Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription from Stampin' Up. I think it's $19 or $20 a month, and it ships off after the 10th of every month. You get a kit. It comes with all the supplies that you need to make whatever projects, and then I like to do 10 additional cards so you can see other ways that you can use this kit. So yeah, so today I'm going to do the unboxing, and then over the next couple of days you will see at least 10 more projects for me. So let's get started. You guys have probably already seen this. I mean, I'm filming this on July 31st, so I'm sure you guys have seen it, but it was so cute. I could not help it. I have to use it. So you'll have to forgive me. I'm a little rusty on filming, but I will do my best. So every kit comes with either a stamp spot, which is a ink pad, or it comes with like a marker, etc. It just depends. And your very first kit also comes with a block. So if you're brand new to stamping, this is a great way to get into stamping and crafting, etc. Comes with all the instructions. It's really all-inclusive. So that's that. It also comes with an exclusive stamp set. I really like this font. Reminds me of that font in the Sweet Sunday something, that ice cream set from a couple of years ago that I actually have for sale in my de-stash. So if you're unfamiliar, I am de-stashing a ton of retired Stampin' Up! Product. Oh, this is so cute! Oh my word! It's called Picnic Paradise. This is cute. Cute. Cute, cute. You'll have to forgive my nails. I need to go get them done tomorrow. Oh, how fun. This is cute. Oh my word. Okay, so the very first thing it comes with are instructions. That's what this page is. So you can see where there's many cards, and it looks like little baskets for them to actually go in. How stinking cute. Oh my word. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Oh my gosh. Love. Love, love, love. So cute. Okay, so you get some vellum. This is a buffalo plaid. Spoiler alert, you may see this again in a haul video, not in the next week or so. We got to see the holiday catalog, and we get to order from it starting tomorrow, and it is so good, guys. Oh my gosh. So you get some, here's blueberries. This looks like the tissue paper that goes inside the basket. Get some strawberries and some apples. These look like the handles. Yeah, so, and then you get all your adhesive, get the little envelopes. These would make little cute back to school gifts for teachers. These are really cute. Oh my word. These would be really cute to sell at a craft fair. Get your cards. And here are the little baskets. Ooh, I like that it's embossed, like it's shiny, it's glossy. That is so stinking cute. Oh my word. Okay, so this is this kit. If you're interested in picking up the August kit, oh, that's weird to say. Make sure that you head on over to the link that you'll find in the description box down below. If you're on mobile, click the little arrow that's to the right of this title, or if you're on a laptop or a desktop, click the show more button. So yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video, and we will make some really cute projects with this kit. So thanks so much, guys. Thank you so much for being so patient with me. I really do appreciate it. I hope to have some blog posts going, etc. And hopefully I am back for good. And in the next week or probably next couple of weeks, I will finally have a craft room tour for you guys. So thanks so much. Check out the D-Stash, check out the videos down below, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.